Hi friends, it's Mr. JT again, and for today's video we're going to be doing a demo, and I'm going to be showing you how to print this. This is a Drypoint, which is a type of print that you print intaglio style, which means that you're rubbing the ink into the surface. It's really easy if I just show you. Come on. Okay friends, because we are printing this Drypoint intaglio style, we're going to have to use dampened paper, and we're printing it by hand too, so that makes it a little bit trickier. Maybe my favorite part, which is mixing up the ink. I've got a mixture of lamp black, which is kind of a blue-black ink, and this amazing like magenta color, and they're both from Akua. So I'm mixing them together to give that lamp black just a little bit of warmth. Okay, and now we are gonna throw this ink up on this plate. I love using old butter knives as art supplies. So we're gonna spread out that ink. I actually need a scraper. So what we're doing is we are gonna push that ink into every single little groove. So we start like this. And because we don't have all of the super professional supplies, we're making do with what we've got. So we're using liner paper to do our rubbing today. Usually you would use a material called, you would hit it with newspaper to get that first layer of ink off, and then you would rub it with a material called tarlatan, which is a really fun word. But I don't have either of those things, so we're using this. And this little liner paper is great because it's got a soft fuzzy side, which is great for when it comes time to wipe it down. Ooh yeah, get up in here, get it up in this judge. Up, right here. Now, do you see our image starting to come through, everybody? So we want to wipe away the majority of this ink. Of course, we can always go back and retouch it. Hey everybody, now is the moment of truth. We are gonna print our Drypoint. Are you ready? Printmaking is always kind of like Christmas for me. Okay, now we're gonna take a Baron or a burnisher or whatever you want to call it, and we are going to vigorously rub the back. Now, most people would print this on an etching press. I am cheap, so I don't have an etching press. But this works just fine. You just got to put the pedal to the metal and put a little muscle behind it. Now that you've had an arm workout, it's time to look at our print. Okay, ready everybody? Oh my gosh, are you ready? Wow. Well, I think that's pretty darn skippy, don't y'all? Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you with a demo every single Saturday. And until then, stay safe and stay creative.